Good morning children, welcome to my class. So today we are going to do some question answers from inside the lesson in your class, that is in your English literature class. Okay, we are going to do some question answers from lesson 5, finding a new spring. Some objective type question answers will be there, short question answers from inside the lesson. So I shall give you 10 question answers. Okay, and in the next class we can discuss the answers also. Okay, you can write down in your school note copy, in your school copies. Okay, so question number 1. Okay, who was leading a caravan? Who was leading a caravan? Okay, so you can say a trader was leading a caravan. You know, we have already discussed some of the questions in the live class, but the students who did not attend, for them this is, and for everyone, because you have to write this in your copies. If you have already written, there is no need to write. Okay, so what came along the way of the caravan? What came? Question number 2. What came along the way? What came along the way of the caravan? So you can write down, first you write down, then we will discuss. A very hot desert came along the way of the caravan. Okay, next number you see, what did the trader find about the desert? What did the trader find about the desert? What did the trader find about the desert? The trader found out that nobody could cross the desert during the day as it was very hot. So you can just write, the trader found that nobody could cross the desert during the day. Okay, why the camels could not walk on the sand? Why the camels could not walk on the sand? The camels could not walk on the sand because it was very hot. Okay, because the sun heated up the fine sand and until it was as hot as coal. So you can write, the camels could not walk on the sand because the sun heated up the fine sand until it was as hot as coal. Or if you want to write down in your own words, you can write down, the camels could not walk on the sand because it was as hot as coal. Okay, next number you see. Okay, why did the trader hire a guide? And write down here, why did the trader hire a guide? Actually, you know who is a guide. So why did the trader hire a guide? The trader hired a guide who could follow the stars and would lead their way across the desert at night. So the trader hired a guide because they could not cross the desert during the day as it was very cold. So they hired a desert who could follow the stars and tell their way across the desert at night. So just very short answer you have to give. You don't have to give here very big answers. Okay, so just give short answers. Next 5 questions I shall write now. Please see question number 6. When did the caravan begin its journey? When did the caravan begin its journey? So you can say, the caravan A few nights later, the caravan began its journey. Across the desert also you can write if you want. Okay. Who drove the first cart of the caravan? Who drove? So the guide drove the first cart of the caravan. Who drove the first cart of the caravan? Who drove the first cart of the caravan? Okay, so the guide usually drove the first cart of the caravan. Next one, who lost their way? Who lost their way and turned around? Okay, so you can write down. The camels lost their way and turned around. Okay, who lost their way and turned around. Okay, who lost their way and turned around. Answer I will not give. Okay, so the camels lost their way and turned around. Okay, next question. What did the travelers realize in the morning? What did the travelers realize in the morning? The travelers realized in the morning that they were back at the same spot where they had camped the day before. What did the travelers realize in the morning? The travelers realized in the morning that they were back at the same spot from where they had camped the day before. Okay? Why did the travelers complain to the trader? Why did the travelers complain to the trader? Complain to the trader. Why did the travelers complain to the trader? The travelers complained to the trader because they lost heart and they did not have any food or water to eat. Okay, or you can say they have finished all their food and water and had nowhere to go, so they complained to the trader. Okay, as they were very tired. You know, you have already read the story. So once again I am saying you this answer. Why did the travelers complain to the trader? Why did the travelers complain to the trader? The travelers complained to the trader because they had exhausted or they had finished all their food and water and had nowhere to go. Okay, so you note down all the 10 question answers. You please all the 10 questions you write down, and the answers also you prepare yourself by reading the lesson as we have already discussed. Okay, thank you.